Like, subscribe, and get notified.
A 30-year-old resident from Dangi Colony, Mapsa, has been accused of burning his second wife's scooter on early Saturday morning. The incident happened at around 5 a.m. on Saturday. It is reported that Tamsim Sheikh had two wives. He, however, divorced his second wife. She is presently staying at Housing Board Colony, Mapsa near Sai Baba Temple. After the divorce, the accused, who is working abroad, went to the house of his second wife and started harassing her to return the gold which he had given her. He was also harassing her to remarry him. The second wife, however, refused to marry him and refused to return the gold. She also told Tamsim's first wife about the harassment. In a fit of rage early Saturday morning, Tamsim burnt the bike of his second wife parked at Housing Board. However, another bike FZ Yamaha which was parked close to it also got burnt. Mapusa police checked the CCTV footage of the temple and found that Tamsim was the culprit. They immediately arrested him and took him into custody.
गोय भारत देशांतले पहिले राज्य जे अपफ्रंट नेटची निदान पद्धत वापरता, जातूंतल्यान रोकडोच दुयेंतीक टीबी आसा वा ना हें कळटा. तशेंच एंड ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट कल्चर टेस्ट हेंवूय करता, जाका लागून दुयेंती उपचार घेतकीर पुराय बरो जाला हाची खात्री पडटा. गोय नॅशनल टीबी एलिमिनेशन प्रोग्रामान टीबी इंडेक्स स्कोरान सेगीत 2 वर्सां पहिल्या 3 क्रमांकान आयलां. गोय एडल्ट बीसीजी लसीकरणाचो अभ्यास सुरू करपी पहिले राज्य. दक्षिण गोय जिल्ह्याक 2022-23 वर्सा खातीर SNC खाला कांस्य पदक फावो जाला. आज गोंयान दर एक भलायकी केंद्राचेर टीबीची टेस्ट, टीबीची वखदां उपलब्ध आसात, ती बी विनामूल्य, फ्री. चला तर आमी ह्या कामाक गोंय भलायकी केंद्राक हातभार लावया आनी टीबी पुराय ना करूया. जागरूक जावया, गोंय टीबी मुक्त करूया. तुमकां जर 2 आठवड्यापेक्षा चड खोकली येता, रातचो घाम येता, जोर येता वा तुमचें वजन अचानक कमी जालां जाल्यार ही जावं येता टीबीची लक्षणां. पूण भिवपाची गरज ना. टीबी हो रोग आज पुराय बरो जावंक शकता. योग्य वेळार निदान केल्यार आनी न चुकता वखदां घेतल्यार ह्या रोगाचेर तुमी कायमची मात करूंक शकतात. पूण लक्षांत दवरात, टीबी हो एक चिवट रोग. वखदां घेतकीर बरें दिसता म्हणून उपचार अर्द्यारूच सोडल्यार टीबी बॅक्टेरिया ड्रग रेजिस्टंट जावन तुमकां परत इन्फेक्ट करूंक शकता. देखून टीबी विशीं जागृत जावया आनी गोंय टीबी मुक्त करूया.